I chose Dr. Gould because I actually came across other young females that had had facelifts done by him. Then after researching, I could not find like a negative thing about Dr. Gould or the office like online anywhere. Like I scoured. Then after I had my consultation, I knew I was going to go with Dr. Gould, just the staff and him. And I just felt instantly super comfortable. Name is Brittany. I'm from Los Angeles and I'm a sales representative for pathology. So before surgery, I guess I was most worried about like I didn't know what to expect at all. I had never been through plastic surgery or any kind of large procedure, so I just didn't know what to expect. But Dr. Gould walked me through the whole process, like the good, the bad, warned me about low times. So I feel like I had a really good grasp on kind of like what to expect and what recovery would look like. The first time I saw myself after surgery, honestly, it was kind of funny. I took a bunch of pictures, like sent it to all my friends because you just kind of look a little crazy and you don't expect to see yourself like that. Fully healed, like when you start to put makeup on again and stuff, then it starts getting really fun because you see like how much it has changed your face and your skin, and putting makeup on is so fun again. Little things like eye brighteners and creams that, are supposed to do certain things that weren't before because I had the bags and stuff like that are like starting to work. And so playing with makeup was super fun. Going out was super fun again. Oh, I think it's super important that you pick a doctor that cares for you as a person. I never once felt like just like a financial piece to anyone in the office or Dr. Gold. He takes such good care of us. He comes to visit us at, the Four Seasons, and yeah, never once this whole process did I feel like I was a dollar sign. I always felt super comfortable and like I was treated as an individual and someone he really cared about. Yeah. What stood out the most, was Dr. Gold checking in on me, of course, like, the night of surgery, even though, like, I had just left the operating room. I felt like he was already there at the hotel with me the next morning to make sure everything was okay before I went home. And then the staff, Sophie and Jasmine, gave me their cell phone numbers. I could shoot a text or a picture and just say, "Hey, I'm worried about this," or "I'm uncomfortable about this." And they got back to me right away and they talked to me and texted with me as if I was a friend, and really eased like any stress I had during the recovery process. Since surgery, I definitely feel beautiful. I love putting on makeup and going out. Like all the insecurities I had on my face or just feeling older, presenting myself, I think that comes through in our personality that we have these insecurities. And especially being, a female professional in sales, I think unfortunately a lot of it is based on how we look. And so it's given me a lot more confidence at work, in photos, going out. I love it. It's amazing. This was my first procedure with Dr. Gold. I would definitely be a patient for life. I would say go for it and don't drive yourself crazy looking up what to expect online, things that could go wrong. I stayed away from all research as far as like complications and what goes wrong and trying to compare yourself because we are so different. And I think once you have all of those different scenarios in your head, you kind of, psych yourself out. So just be confident, make your decision, go for it, and you'll be really happy that you did, especially if you're on the younger end. I feel like that's kind of why I wanted to share my story a little bit because there's not a lot of younger women that I think are sharing or feel comfortable on social media. But the females that I saw that shared their story really helped me make my decision. So go for it. Don't wait till you're older. Like, do it now.